Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we are talking about parasite protozoa. Protozoa are unicellular, maybe multicellular eukaryotic organisms. Protozoa constitute a large group of about 65,000 species, most of which are harmless, free living and inhabits water and soil. A few species are pathogenic in nature, parasitize human and other animals, causing hundreds of millions of infections in a year around the world. Next is characteristics. These are mostly unicellular organisms with fully functional cells. They live freely, may be parasitic or symbiotic. They are chemoheterotrophs, motile, and have locomotory organelles, for example, cilia and flagella for their movement. Protozoa are eukaryotic that resemble to animal cell because they contain major cell organelles like nucleus and mitochondria. Their organelles are highly specialized for feeding, reproduction, and movement. The cytoplasm are divided into two layers: ectoplasm, which is the outer layer, while endoplasm, which is the inner layer. Ectoplasm helps in movement, feeding, and protection, while endoplasm houses nucleus, mitochondria, and food. Some protozoa have special structures like flagella and cilia that helps in their movement. Freshwater protozoa have contractile vacuoles to pump out excess water. Their shape may remain constant, especially in ciliates, or change constantly like in amoeba. The size of this organism range from 3 to 300 micrometer. For few ciliates and amoeba are larger enough to seen with our naked eye. Except sporozotes, all types of protozoa are motile either through flagella, cilia, and pseudopodia. They have eye spot that can detect change in light, and they can respond to light and learn by trial error. Mostly protozoa feed on dead plants and animal debris, while some trophozoites feed on bacteria and algae. Parasitic protozoa feed on the fluid and tissues of their host, for example, plasma and blood cells. Some protozoa live in symbiotic relationship with other plants and animals. Protozoa are classified on the basis of their motility and method of reproduction. There are four types of protozoa: flagellates, ciliates, Saurodina, and sporozotes. Protozoa can reproduce by two methods: asexual and sexual. Asexual includes budding, binary fission, schizogony, or multiple fission. Sexual includes conjugation and gametogony. Asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction that does not require the union of sex cells or gametes. For example, a single cell can divide into two daughter cells. Budding is a type of asexual reproduction in which new organism can develop from outgrowth or bud due to cell division at a particular site. A small projection coming out from a cell called bud. As you can see in the image, the outgrowth structure develops from a seed cells, then nucleus divides and two daughter cells are formed. Binary fission is a process in which an organism duplicates its genetic material DNA, then divide into two parts with each receiving the one copy of DNA. As you can see in the image, the parent cell have the DNA and then the cell divided, and each daughter cell contains their own particular DNA. Next is schizogony is a method in which multiple fission occurs. First, the nucleus undergoes multiple division, then form nuclei. That small portion of cytoplasm concentrate around each nucleus. Then protozoa cell is divided into many daughter cells. As you can see in the image, many daughter cells are formed at the end. Next is sexual reproduction. It is a type of reproduction in which the production of new organism by combining two genetic information from two individuals of different types or different sexes. Conjugation is the process by which one bacterium transfers its genetic material to another through direct contact. During this process, one bacteria serves as the donor while other serves as a recipient. As you can see in the image, one bacteria have the DNA and they transfer into another bacteria through a barrier, and at the end both contains the DNA material. At last, gametogony. It is the process in which union of two sexually differentiated cells. It is a process in which gametes are formed.